All right, so what do we have? We have yesterday that it was looking very bullish at the during the overnight session, and let's see how we opened. So we went inside the previous day's value, and we got the value area sweep, and then we continued very aggressively selling down. It got to value area low from this session, which we were talking about, and then we got below it and we couldn't get back inside it. Sellers kept pushing, volatility kept increasing, so we finally, we ended up kind of balancing the whole day around here, around the 80 area. Then at the end of the day, more sellers, and we settled at 68.51, which is also yesterday's value area low. So when you have a day like this, 150 point range, usually it takes a little bit of time for the market to digest those moves. So I'm thinking that we might attempt to balance around here. It's Friday, all the economic releases are out, so if the sellers are not done, what I'm going to be looking for is the following scenarios, right? So 68.50 is going to be my line in the sand. So right now we're just like going back and forth between, going above it and below it, but staying above it, in my opinion, means that we are going to look for a retest of this value area high, which is at 69, what is it, 69.13, 14, and test this single print. But if sellers are not done, which I have no idea if they are or not, obviously we're gonna see the order flow, but I'm gonna be looking for a move below yesterday's low, the RTH low, into this lower area. We had this untested settlement from the session from the 5th of February, which I've been talking for a while. We never were able to retest it until yesterday. We got inside value for this session, we rejected right away, but overnight we tested this point of control of the settlement. But I'm thinking that today we have a chance of doing that value area sweep and then test that 68.05 level if the sellers are not done yet, which it doesn't seem like they are, because this morning I was seeing all this very aggressive sweeps to the downside. So we have pretty big ranges, volatility still elevated in the 20s, so you gotta be careful. You gotta size down because moves can take you out in a second. The moves have been pretty aggressive, so if you don't size down, you're gonna just get chopped up, and you're not gonna have a chance to take any profit. So anyway, below yesterday's low, looking for retest of the overnight low, value area low. And then yesterday we left a bearish imbalance, and the target for that imbalance is at 67.73. So at 67.73, I'm gonna look to cover my shorts. If I'm short at the moment, I'm gonna look for signs of order flow reversing, and cover. If I'm short, I'm gonna look to cover that. There's also this overnight low that's pending to be tested during the RTH at 67.51, so that's another target to the downside if we keep selling below the 73 area. More stronger support is down here, 66.80. The market is not pricing a move there, but it's been moving more than the expected move pretty much every day through the last week. And I think this week, well, yesterday obviously, but I think this day also. But lately it's been the option they have not been pricing the moves that we're getting. So volatility has been understated. Okay, so that's about it. By the way, the third option, if it's not the bullish scenario, the better scenario is that we just balance around here and go nowhere. In that case, fade the edges if we have a balanced day. Okay, silver also, yesterday everything got sold off. NQ, silver, gold. Gold had a pretty rough day, and then now it recovered above the 5,000 area. So this right here is it's a key area, 5020. I think above it, it has a chance to go back to the 5120. Below it, 4940 is the target. And silver also got smacked down, but couldn't get much more lower than the 73 area. Put a lot of volume at 76, but we have this 76 high volume node, and then we have this 83 high volume node. So upper target 83, lower target 76. And crude still in the same area, also got sold off, but moved that 20-day point of control at 63. So still in this range. So I haven't been trading crude. All right, I think that's about it. Just looking at next week, we have a pretty busy. Oh, Monday there's no markets. It's President's Day, so markets are going to be closed. I think there's futures in the morning, but there's they close early, like around noon. So, and then on Tuesday. No, what day is this? Hold on. Oh no, next Friday there's a bunch of news. Really, I see the calendar is full on Friday, next Friday. So, and it's OPEX, and it's and there's a bunch of news that day. So, anyway, good luck and have a great long weekend, and see you around.